missed you so much. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am dropping my highly requested flawless face routine. I've been asked, begged, pleaded, and cursed out for a video on how I just do my face. A natural beat, something quick, easy, and light. I'm not gonna lie, this isn't natural, but it does accentuate the best parts of your face. It is very easy to do. If you watch YouTube videos, if you watch my videos, if you know just a little bit about makeup, I'm pretty sure you can pull it off. So just kick back, relax, and stay tuned for the video. See you in a bit. Okay guys, let's get started. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going to put foundation all over my face. I've already did my brows and primed my face as well with my Smashbox Photo Finish. And this was pretty requested, this look. You guys really wanted to see how I do my natural or like flawless, I guess, face. Because with this look, I'm really not gonna do a lot. It's just really to focus on getting really nice skin and having a really nice foundation laid down. Thing that we're gonna do is we are going to put on our concealer still under the eye, and I also do above the eye, just so that everything looks more fluid. And we're gonna bake. So this time when we bake, what we're gonna do is put it as close to our lash line as possible. And while we bake, what I am gonna do is take some excess translucent powder from the top of my packaging. I'm gonna dip it very lightly in that, and I'm just gonna put that all over my face. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna bronze. So I have my e.l.f. bronzer palette, and I'm gonna take the e.l.f. stippling face brush and go in with this color here. Now I'm gonna go in with this golden brown here and I'm gonna bronze. So this is our bronzed side, and this is our not bronzed side. Can you guys see a difference? So now the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to contour our nose, and I'm going to be using this brown here to contour my nose. And this is a Morphe pencil brush. And I'm just going to drag it down. You want to start from right about here on your brow bone. As you can see, I have a little line right there. And you want to follow the shape of your nose, because you do want to remember this is going to be a natural face look. So you don't want to look too snatched. Today we're gonna blush. I'm going in with my Morphe blush brush, and I'm going to be mixing two blushes today. I'm gonna be mixing this terracotta color here and this rosier color here. Okay, now so we're gonna move on to highlighting, and I'm gonna highlight today with one of MAC's Mineralized Skin Finish shimmers. This actually isn't even mine. This was my mom's, and it's not even in my color, but I do love and it's really old, well, like torn up. I use this as a base for a lot of my highlights. This is a Royal and Langnickel Highlight and Glow brush. This part is totally optional, but I am gonna put on another highlight, and I'm gonna put on the Artist Couture highlight in Illuminati. This is one of my favorite highlights to use as a topper when I just want a little extra bling. You can't really tell that much of a difference, can you? I can. I can definitely tell. Also, guys, I ordered a ring stand. Okay, funny thing, I actually ordered a ring stand last week on Amazon, and it was my first time using Amazon Prime. Unfortunately, these people sent me the ring light missing a piece. And then when I inquired on how I could get my piece, they're all like, you gotta buy it. No, you gotta return it and buy it back. Squeeze me? Absolutely not. So I'm returning it and I'm buying a whole new one. And the new one I got is way better. It's actually a lot taller and I could use it on a tabletop or on the floor. So I'm really excited. It's coming on Friday, which is gonna be tomorrow to you guys. And I cannot wait to just do an unboxing, show you guys the ring light. I'm gonna do a first impressions review on it so that you guys could see like what it is. And then I'll do like a later review on it if you guys want. But anyways, back to the tutorial. This is supposed to be a really natural look. So I am gonna apply mascara just to bring back some life from, well, to my lashes that I lost. And sometimes, I'm not gonna lie, I do just be wanting to leave just like this. No mascara, no nothing. But it does look kind of funny. Perfect. Last thing we're gonna do is spray and set our face. So I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Finish. Ooh, looks like I took another shower. You can see like it's still so wet. Pause. Like I said, I am a girl who is a little bit more on the glam side. So sometimes even when I do want just more of like a natural and really flawless face, I still gotta have my lashes. I still gotta spice it up. I need a good lippy, okay? Okay guys, so this is the conclusion of my flawless face routine. Like I said, lashes are a total option. I definitely go outside just like this with no lashes, just mascara, and I do still love it. So please tell me what you think. Let me know if you give this tutorial a try. Give this video a thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. Comment down below more beauty videos, tutorials, ideas, concepts, anything beauty related that you want to see from me. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Let's get into my brow though. Let's do that. Honey.